So booking a flight for two persons is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can book flight for two or more persons. So for that you just have to be at any of the tourist sites. Suppose I'm at makemytrip.com, and here I'm gonna have to select the flight first. Suppose I want to buy this flight, so I'm just gonna click on search. What it will do is it will find a suitable flight for me. To you just have to enter your information, your details or your traveling details that you want to do, and here you just have to go ahead, and here you just have to go to view prices and you just have to click on book now. Be careful while finding your flight. I'm just doing this randomly to show you guys how you guys can book for multiple people. Now it is fetching the details for me for now. Now here you will be able to see an option for two or more tickets. You just need to log into the account, and as you guys can see, you guys can do the adult, add a new adult. What it will do is it will book the ticket for two name. You guys can add up to three or four. It totally depends upon you how many tickets that you want to book. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can book the flight for two persons. Hope you guys find this video helpful.